All right, guys, so here is my new headlights. I got the Syder Sonars with the DRL that switches to the blinker too. Just got these things put in here. They look super sweet. Good fit. I just have to put the bumper back on there, have everything taped up so I don't scratch the paint. But these things look sweet. All right, so you guys just saw the new headlights. I'm gonna just throw up a picture of what the old headlights look like just for some comparison, so that you can see, you know, how they looked before and the after. They're way better now, so I'll just toss one up here on the screen. So overall, I'm very happy with these headlights and how they turned out. They're super easy to install besides the fact that I had to take off my bumper, but that's just how these Jeeps are. Besides that, everything was plug and play. Didn't have to do anything as far as wiring for the DRL. And they fit in there. Perfect. All right, just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. If you want to leave a like, comment down below, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.